Hello everybody. In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable macros onto your MacBook laptop, as well as downloading the necessary files for this Microsoft Excel certification. To begin, everybody should have received this Word document in their email. And so I'm going to go to the hyperlink from Google Drive. So I'm going to press on that, and it will send me to Google Drive. Here are the two files that are needed to download. So I'm going to download import_data by pressing the three dots on the top right, pressing download, and there we are. This is downloaded. And so you want to make sure this is saved to a trusted location, and you should remember where you saved it because this will be needed for a future exercise. Going back, we are going to now download the master file. So by doing the same step of pressing the three dots on the top right, I'm going to download. And on the top right, here we are, I'm going to double click. And here this pop-up shows disable macros or enable macros. You're going to want to enable macros. And this workbook is read-only, as you could see from the top. So to make it something that you can edit, I'm going to go to File up at the top left, Save As, and I'm going to edit this to my underscore, save it, and just going to exit out this, and voila, this is now something that you can edit, and this will be your workbook that you will need to submit.